In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Elementor. Elementor is a fantastic page builder that allows you to create stunning websites with ease. But sometimes, we all make mistakes or simply want to go back a step. Knowing how to undo actions is essential for any designer. Let's dive in and explore how to do just that in Elementor. First off, it's important to remember that Elementor has built-in functionalities that make undoing actions straightforward. If you've ever worked with any design software before, you'll find these steps very intuitive. To begin with, if you've made an error or changed an element you didn't mean to, the simplest way to undo it is by using the standard keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac. This will immediately reverse the last action you took. It's quick and efficient, especially when you're in the middle of a creative flow and want to minimize interruptions. Now, if you need more control or wish to undo several actions, Elementor offers a wonderful feature known as the History panel. This is where you can visually track and revert any changes you've made. To access this panel, look for the History icon. It's typically located on the bottom left corner of the Elementor panel, represented by an icon that looks like a clock. Clicking on this icon will open up a list of all your actions taken during the current editing session. When you open the History panel, you'll see a detailed list of every change you've made from the beginning of your editing session up to the present. You can easily scroll through this list to find the exact point you wish to return to. Simply click on the particular action you want to revert to, and Elementor will automatically revert all subsequent changes made after that point, taking you exactly back to where you were. Additionally, Elementor provides a feature called Revisions. This allows you to see previous saved states of your entire page or site. To access this, you'll want to go to the Elementor Editor's menu on the bottom left and select Revisions. This feature comes in handy if you've made substantial changes and only later realize you prefer an earlier version. You can view each revision entry and even preview how the page looked at that specific point before deciding to restore it. Remember, mastering the undo functions on Elementor will save you lots of time and frustration. It's a great tool to help ensure your design process is smooth and seamless. By using these methods, you can freely experiment with your design ideas, knowing you can easily undo any change. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial helps make your Elementor experience even more enjoyable and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!